Students, welcome back to my channel Learning Universe. Today we will learn assessment worksheet number 3 and this worksheet is dated for 15th of September. Now you have to fill here your name and your class teacher name. Okay. Before solving this worksheet, first we will read this instructions. First is this is an assessment worksheet based on the worksheet of previous weeks. Okay. And second is contains 10 multiple choice questions carrying 1 marks each. And third is choose the correct option and darken the circle given against it with a pen or a pencil. Now we will start. The first question is good manners teach us how to dash with others. Option number A behave. Option number B is misbehave. Option number C is play. And option number D is dance. The correct answer will be behave. Good manners teach us how to behave with others. Okay. Question number second. We should always treat people with dash. Option number A is fame. Option number B is hate. Option number C is respect. And option number D is disrespect. The correct answer will be respect. We should always treat people with respect. Okay. Now the third question is good manners are dash by all. Option number A is respected, admired, ignored and rejected. Correct answer will be admired. Good manners are admired by all. Now the next question is Shilpa always reaches school on time. She is very dash. Option number is first helpful, second is respectful, third is kind and fourth is punctual. Correct answer will be punctual. She is very punctual. Okay. Question number 5. Helping other in dash is a good manners. Option number A is need, option number B is power, option number C is happiness and option number D is anger. And correct answer will be need. Helping others in need is a good manner. Okay. Now question number 6. Health is the dash most important thing in life. Option number A is the, option number B is a, option number C is an and option number D is any. And correct answer will be health is the most important thing in life. Okay. Next is aunt is very dash insects. Option number A is lazy, option number B is wise and option number C is dangerous and option number D is bright. And correct answer will be wise. Ants are very wise insects. Okay. Next question is ants live in comfortable home called dash. Option number A hives, option number B ant houses, option number C is anthills and option number D is caves. The correct answer will be anthills. Ants lives in comfortable home called anthills. Question number 9. The tiny ants carry out their task very dash. Option number A is sincerely, option number B softly, C lazily and D is slowly. And correct answer will be sincerely. The tiny ants carried out their tasks very sincerely. Okay. Now question number 10. Ants communicate with each other using their body parts known as option number A feelers, option number B breeders and option number C option number C is antennae and option number D is thorax. And correct answer will be antennae. Okay. Antennae. Now your worksheet has been completed. and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos, and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much.